Hi everyone. Okay, hi, good day. So I would like to do a sharing section on my attempt on doing this web security exercise. So this is more on the web security, and this exercise we going to need to use this backstore.net. Okay, so if you interested on uh, this backstore, you can get a copy from this one vulnerability hub one hub. Okay, that is ISO file here, so you can download the ISO, and then you can read some of the informations on there. Okay, so this is the ISO file. So let's give a try. So I try my best. I mean, I did myself uh, earlier. So this is some of the step I recorded. Okay. So like for example, so when you need when you have a virtual box, okay, so you need to use this new. Okay, you need to use new, and then you can just put the name. Okay, whatever the name you want. Okay, then you put in the ISO file. Okay, then you set Linux, and then you set Ubuntu 32 bits. Okay, this is my settings. And after that, you can set to 2 gig for memory. Processor, you can use one CPU. Okay, then after that, you just leave it default for the hard disk size. I think it's a bit too much, but then I just keep the default settings. Then once everything is ready, okay, then you just finish. So then you click on finish. Then after that, you go to the storage. So when under the controller IDE, you can set it to the IDE primary device 0. So this is the one I did. So then you press OK, and also you yeah, one thing I forgot. So you also set the sorry, it's not Kali. So you set the network to net. Okay, network. Okay, so later you will have a so-called the victim as a backstore, and you have your Kali for the attacker. Okay, so after that, you run it. So once you run it, you will get loading, and then you will get like stop at this screenshot. Okay, until like welcome to Trinus. Okay, Linux security toolkit, something like this. Then press enter to activate the console. So eventually you will get something like this lah. Okay, then uh, you just read through the things. Like for example, you can use the some help command. Okay, so what to say, mine. Okay, let's see here. Okay, yeah, some man, you can type man, and you can see the command. But I think the most important is like you need to configure the you need to get your IP address. Sorry, okay, you need to get your IP address. Like for example, I set to network, so the IP I get is 10.0.2.7. Okay, so because we need this IP address from the so-called the backstore, the VM, later need to put into the Kali Linux there. Okay, so then in the Kali for example, so because this one I've done already, so you need to go to the host file in order to add the IP address for this petstore.net into it. Okay, so this is some of my steps lah. Okay, so you try to locate the path where is your host file. So um, so this is the path I'm having lah. So I think if you go to, let me see whether I can show. Okay, so because earlier I did try, so like you can check where are you, like PWD, to know where are you currently, the current directory. Then you try to locate the, the folder. Okay, like for example, otherwise you can just go to the your file system. Okay, then you trying to see where is the etc folder. So after that you need to modify the host file. So this is where I am. Okay, where I have meaning you can first you cat the file, then you see what things is inside, then you sudo nano the host file, then you add this for the exercise, but you will get your own network address. Okay, this one is just to sharing with you my attempt. Okay, so if you like checking your own Kali. Okay, so this is mine. So there will be in the same range because my Kali and the bad store, so they are on the same network IP range. Okay, so after that, let's see what's the step, because there is a lot of the step here. So once you are done, you open your Firefox in Kali, then you type in uh, the domains so on. So you will get so okay, yeah. So you will open, this is the one, welcome to Petstore. All right, so if you go to the here, they also provide some screenshot lah. Okay, from the website you will get something like this. So once you set up this, then you can start the exercise. Okay, so I'm using VirtualBox. So you already have your Kali Linux, and then you download the beststore.net ISO, you put into the VirtualBox, and then you put some basic settings and ensure these two are on the network. So then you can start the exercise. Okay, so yeah, this is the one. Okay, so after that we need to be familiar with this so-called virtual machine, this the beststore virtual VM not VM. So like for example, because if you go to this you can't see much because it will just the command prompt, something like that. You need to use your Kali to do the exercise. Okay, so if you are inside here, so you need to be familiar, like here he said that you need to okay, like right click, you need to view the page source. So from here you need to understand a bit how this website is built. This is the client side script and the code. Then after that you also need to understand the using this Firefox there is tools, okay, like web developer tools. So from these tools you need to understand the inspector, how to inspect the content inside, and then there is a console, there is also network. So there are some of the utility tools provided by the browser. So for this exercise we just doing some basic basic web security things. Okay, so and then also you need to know a bit on the base 64 online tools, decoding tools. Okay, so yep, yep. With this, when you are ready in your Kali, then we can go for our exercise. So just let me just move it back here so I can can start. Okay, so like for example, now you have this so-called vulnerable web server or website. So you need to you have the Kali Linux. So you need to first you need to do something like let me see. Okay, try, yeah. So the first thing is you trying to see what kind of the um, uh, port is open and so on. So one of the command you can use is nmap -h. Then you can have a look for all these uh, switches, commands, and so on. So here there is a provided the code. Okay, so like for example, we need to use -t for 4. So T, you can just have a look. -t, set the timing template. The highest is the faster, and then V is verbose, if I'm not wrong. Version. So if you give some information, B, okay, and then capital A is see KSH. Okay, so the output in certain format. Okay, enable OS detections. So I have putting it like this. Okay, nmap -t4 -v -a, then the victim, okay, address. So then run it. So you just can see that there is some discover some open port here, 44340, then 3306. So if you're wondering what is port 3306, you can just type port number 3306. So it's MySQL, kind of like MySQL. So you know that they are using MySQL as their database. Okay, then you can read some information here. Else, so here also got the details. Okay, this is the version of their Apache 1.3.28 is their web, and then 443 also SSL, so 1.3.08, and then okay, yeah, okay, 3306 MySQL 4.1 .7 standard. Okay, so when it's finished, so you can try another like another command like nmap, check the port from -p1 until 65535, and then the target IP address. Then you will see these three lah. Okay, so nothing much really. So this is like for example, you have a target, you want to know the what open port is there. So you use this nmap. Then after that, you need to maybe do a little bit more on the information. So one of it is like do the banner grabbing. Banner grabbing is using like the netcat. So it's like NC. You put the targeted IP and then the port 80. So then you type capital head space // http /1.0. So you will see some of the information available here. Okay, some additional info like this Apache SSL, OpenSSL, so on. All right. So then after that, you can use another command utility. Okay, so let me see. From here. Okay, hold on first. Let me see. Then you can give a try. Example, you open this and then you simply type any number, like for example earlier I tried 8, so you can see it did not do any error handling. You simply type anything, right? He will straight away return the MySQL query. So this is not good. So you can see any number, so it turned out so it's not so good. Okay, you can see it could be have this column from this is the table they have. Okay, so this is the typical mistake the programmer need to hide it lah, cannot show. Alright, so then we also can give a try, like for example, one moment. So this see, like from here we can navigate, like for example we can use this code. Okay, this one. So okay, this one we done, right? So this is just for us to modify the modify our host file in the Kali. We put in the victim, the backstore.net to our own IP address. Okay, so this one is done. I just closing it, otherwise I'm confused myself also. Then see this one, yeah. So we can use this DIRB if I'm wrong. Okay, just to find out some of the directory available in this backstore.net. So he has his own word list, like kind of like a brute force. So he scan and then he can able to find out like these are the things that we can try to go in, like earlier I did a try, like for example if you just I think it's called just see you put like this, then eventually you can go into their folder. Yeah, so I think you can one of another thing is like you can go to robots.txt. So from here also you can check, roughly see what are the directory lah that you might uh, can go in. And 027 backup, I think just now I saw something. I see the backup is here. And what else? Upload. So you can see upload. So supplier. So you can see there is an account. Ooh. So this is hash form, but this is not supposed to be display out or allow the attacker to be find out. So what else? Sync is so-called what CGI pin. This one I think So that is a lot. So if you're using the command like just now, eventually you can see many ws also one of the folder just now as see. So it can uh it has display out a lot of the, the code uh, shouldn't let the attacker or the people to look for all these things. Okay. Yeah. So some can access like image supplier, some you cannot access, and so on. Yeah, I think another one is called earlier I managed to scan. See, I don't know what is that, but it looks like this. I don't know whether it can go on. Okay, maybe just another one. So something like this. Okay, so this is uh some something interesting we can go in here. Okay, oopsie. Then else back. Okay, it's okay. Just go back to www. Oops. Oh no. This one have to stop first. Otherwise you see my crazy already. So just go stop it. Let me just close this browser and time. Hold on just a second. Okay. Okay. So try an error. Try an error. So earlier we did find something like supplier then count. So maybe this is something you are interested in. So I did try earlier. I think I use this hash ID give me unknown hash. Then I use this hash identifier. I just randomly put in some of the hash, so it give me not so meaningful answers. Then I try to this is since later. Yeah, I try to uh, I'm just thinking that maybe the John the Ripper can help me. So I just put everything. I put all the code into this hash and then I put John, and then I keep on waiting. It's not coming out, not coming out. So then after that I like trying. I just like trying to see is there any luck. So I copy like this. Okay, everything's okay. Maybe this. We trying to make use of our I think our web security web application, the book suite. Okay, so let it open first. See whether it's okay. Okay. Directly. Okay, next. Okay. But this is just one of the way I okay, just hold on. Okay, that is a decoder here. So just put in. So I try to remove the front part. Okay, so I try to decode. You see, I use base 64, then it's it give me something interesting lah, interesting. So, but this is just by luck only, by luck. Uh, so I mean, if you want, one of my first cyber chef, so this one quite interesting. So I do the same trick. Just copy this, then I use. Can you can see? Oh no, no. So if you remove the front, I guess it will become more double. So I get the same thing. So should be this is the one um, encrypted there, but this doesn't mean that all these things are the valid account or the things can be used lah. So this is just like he's storing inside here the supplier account here. Okay, so this one I show already. So okay, after that we trying to get a real account. Like for example, let me come back here. So we might wondering how I need to going in here. One of the easy way is like you go to the guest book. Okay, this is the page. What's new guest book, new previous order, about us, my account, log in, oops, okay, go back first. So I think we can try on this. Okay, just say uh, testing test. The earlier I put test. So at I don't know, just simply just give a try. So you can see that it will return out some emails. Okay, this is the one I test earlier. Now this is also another one I test. This is a testing. So I think this is one of the indicator, but based on the information I get, so there is a bug from here. So we have to change this Microsoft.com become supplier.com. Okay. So we need to like change it. Okay, change it. Like for example, we can uh, make use of this like this is for register team account for here like now I'm not an account, so here we give a try. Right, Joey, yeah, this is the one I did a try from Microsoft.com change to supplier.com. So this is a known bug, the known bug in this ISO, this one. So we choose this one, we just leave it. So when you put reset password, right, is this a good practice? No, so this is not a good practice. So now you have this, then you can log in. So Joe at supplier.com, oops.com. Then you can put com. So don't save, no need to save. So now it's John supplier. Either you log in here, I think this one also something wrong. Okay, but at least you can going in so if you want to, I guess if you want to use the supplier login, we have to remove HTTPS to HTTP. So now become HTTP. So you go here, you Here, then put the welcome to save. So you can see different the face. Actually, I can log in just now already. I think you noticed, right? So yeah, because there's no checking, no HTTPS and so on. So this is the thing that not a good practice lah. So after that, we can try on this one, like just try to see is there anything we can find. So from here, like brute force like a brute force. So we want to see no, I think until fifth time. Earlier I try, so I cannot. So you just continue until 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Then you will see that boom. So it's showing you something not supposed to show. So uh, so from here also uh, we can try to see like let me check whether this has anything we can for example we can search for the action. You can see he used the keyword action for all the things, okay, that he used. So maybe we can change this thing like manipulating this one. Okay, so one of the things I learned from this is like it make use of like this, like when he trying to log in. I mean, we can give a try like here, like with meaning from all this equal to guest pool, view previous, about us, my account, login, register, supplier login. So we can give a try on this. So you can go to this secret administrative menu. Then what else you can do? You can do a lot of things. Can I do this click? See can or not? You see he say cannot. He say cannot. You must log in like that. So 15 is my Kali lah, as I show you guys just now, right? So go back. What else I can do? Add user. Click. Oops. No. But actually this whole website is for exercise. It is so many poor practices. Okay, a lot practices. uh, so we need to try. Okay, I did earlier. I did try, but I'm not so sure because like we can go to this just now. Where is it? Add user, is it my login register, right? So we'll view page. So is this, I don't know, it's highlighted where here, it's highlighted here. Okay, input type hidden. He trying to use this row to assign you are the normal user or the administrator. Okay, so I did try to modify this. So I did just now how I did is I copy this. Okay, just copy here and then no, you need to come in here first. Okay, like try one name. Just say let me try. Just try this one. Just forget about it. And but here you put an row equal a try. So here you leave it here, and here you put some yeah. So this is also register. So you're going to already. Okay, how far is coming? But admin. We try now he's become admin now. So okay, alpha still alpha. Let's just try. No. I think here still not the right not the proper way. Still have to see how to coming here. Maybe log. Now I need to log. Okay. So, try again. Okay. Save. But here I can't do anything, right? Because here he will not show what what I have. Even though I go again. Nope. No, it's not like this. Okay, but he just showing that that is some of the way you can manipulate like the role. Okay, then another one is like you can try like for example this I need to go to register. Let's say I register another account. This time I use Mentala whatever lah. Okay. Okay, so just so that is another way is like you right click, you go to the more tools, web developer tools. Then from here you go to inspector. You need to slowly navigate to the one register if I'm not wrong, until you can see the row. Okay, you can see his one, right? So actually it's under this. So here you can right click, edit HTML to make it like a. Okay, then it changed already. So this is one of uh, the, 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 the way to changing. All right. So after that, you still register for this beta. Register. Okay. Okay. So you register. Okay. Okay. So, but actually, the earlier I did go inside to double check the DB, but then not very good in checking the DB. So I can't. Okay, let me see if I will. Let me just think. We have something called SCCT. Oh, no, not this one. Show table. Okay, item order user. Sorry. Select. you can see is coming in. Okay, A U, okay, A, okay, U. So you can see all this. Right, U, but which one is the admin? Admin should be the A, right? Master, admin. So I don't know. I mean, it's earlier I did try, but not so. We can do like this. Do you think you can help me this time? empty 2, empty 5. Okay. If you just using back just now the same method, you know, we can try. Oh no, give me a try. Okay. No, will it show any? Uh, will it revert? What is this? If I use just the hash identify. See, my skill is not good enough, not strong enough. Okay. See, but it's empty 5. So it is in a hash, it's a hash format. Okay. At least we know something from there. Right, wait. Let don't go too far away first. Okay, you can explore yourself. So I just wanted to show that you can edit because once you understand more on the code, right? So you can modify the value because it's like hard coded on the script, so on. Okay. After that, we need to do Metasploit, but this apologies, I feel not so which one? Yeah, no, no, not this one. Can't. Yeah. So based on the exercise, we need to use this auxiliary scanner MySQL login. Um, and then I do few time because I think number one is like I have some typo error like metasploit I wrong, so then I if you throw me some error message, then also I trying to do again. I this time I make it trying to make sure I type correctly, meaning you just use this auxiliary scanner MySQL login, this exploit. Okay, then you set the pass file on this path, and then you set the user file on this path. Okay, and then you set blank password false, and then you set the rhost your target 10.0.10.027 for me. For you, you have to check yours, and then you run it. So this run is successful. He go to the MySQL the port number, but I don't get uh I don't get successful things lah. So I try again. I couldn't get it. So this is something maybe I need to improve because I couldn't get. I still get login failure, login failure, login failure. That's the thing lah. But then if we just going to the login, so um, we can manipulate from the database. From the database actually, if we can know the admin, we can just can give a try lah. Admin because I know this is vulnerable, right? So if admin So, oh, it's not found. Oh, okay. It's not so good, but that's the way for to keep trying lah. To keep, because I didn't manage to go in. No, no. How about if I come in here? Then I change this one. I just use admin. Yeah, just give a try. Okay. No, no. I think it's not like this. So this one maybe need to further understand a bit. So I don't know, because based on the exercise is it could be the we all know that the metasploit sometimes is not fully working. Sometimes it can be some, because mine is in the this Kali Linux is MSF6, so the one we have is MSF5. So I'm not so sure whether something wrong, but this is the one um, can't really going to. So meaning I can't get the admin admin password So this is, so could be something wrong in my script here, got command here. Okay, so the corrected one I think is this is okay. Set pass file, or pass file is something I need to replace or something, don't know. So set user file. Okay, set host. I know set host is very important, then you run it. Okay, so this is something need to find out more. Okay, so but then from the back end side, right, this is how I did. So let's say if I have another, open another, let me see, a bit laggy already, let me just open another one. If I just go for my SQL, okay, I go to my host 10027. This is just by luck, by luck, the port number 3306, and then minus u, small u, admin, minus p. You can see if I put admin, I can go in. See, so I'm not so sure. Okay, whether that's the thing, but uh, we'll figure out how. So show data. This is, oops, wrong. Okay, okay, I only have one, so we need to go to let's say uh, use at store. Eh, yeah, okay. Show but this is the one it has all this table. So select all from this is TTP. We can just have a look. So this is the data. So we can just change by order. So because I also trying to make something earlier. Okay, this is the one I trying to put it in. You can see the date. Okay, so we can do a try. I mean, like for example, uh, supplier login, you change to HTTP. So I put alpha, right, just now, alpha supplier.com. Wow. Okay, I log in already. Then you can go to what's news. Just buy something lah. Okay, I want to buy this, this. Okay, I buy three things. View the card. Okay, let me see. There's something wrong here. Oh, but this is beta. Did I log? I log in properly, right? something wrong because it's keeping the caching. Okay, it's okay. Just for uh, testing purpose lah. Okay, for the credit card, you can just put in some of the dummy one lah. Okay, just put down like that. Okay, thank you for using SAR. Okay, added. Okay. So now become more a bit programming already. So then if you can see beta. Okay, I think beta because that is uh then you can see this is the one I add. Right, this is the one I add. So actually because there is no lockout, right? So no choice. Very weird, right? This design. So well, I think that's all for this presentation sharing sessions on my own attempt uh, on doing this web security exercise. So um, we learned a bit like how to use Nmap to scan this vulnerable website. Then we use Netcat a bit, and then we need to understand the whole coding here. We need to view the source, and then we need to inspect it, see whether we can change some of the parameter here. Like earlier we try action equal to admin. You can see some secret things, but we can't do much. And then from there we also can do some directory travelers. So we can simply just go to some of the back end thing. You like for example earlier supplier, so you can simply go to some of the things, then you view something, then we change some of the parameter on the fly over the URL, and then over the field inside the row. Okay, and then we verify the the things inside, like the row we are changing from U to the A, right, from the U to the A. So but the thing is we can't get this thing. Maybe need to use John the Ripper, but then that will take long time, I guess. Yeah, many long time just to get. Okay, I don't know whether just wondering. I don't know whether my syntax correct or not. If I just simply I don't know whether will this work. Do you think will it work? No, it's not doing like this. So if I just try this works or not. Just I just want to okay. Uh, uh, all right. I don't know. Just try. Just give a try. Okay. Do you think you can? Uh, yeah. See, we stuck here. See, then my VM is getting crazy. So, but you see, oh, should shooting up already, trying to brute force. So you know, right? John the Ripper is for brute force the things. Uh, so so let's see how. But actually, this is going to be the end already. But you can try it. As I said, you can get the badstore.net this ISO from the from this website. Just show again from here. If you want to test it out yourself to see all these poor practices by the programmer or the web developer. So all these things need to be prevented. So you're using the Kali, trying to acting like you are the hacker or penetrator. So trying to penetrate this bad store. So you will if you learn, hopefully you learn something. Some of the basic things for this exercise. So you can say I can't receive all, so I can't really wait for this John the Ripper. So and also again for the Metasploit that part, so it could be my I'm using MSS6 the Metasploit console 6, then the MySQL version is 7.1.7, so not so sure that works or not. So I still couldn't figure out why the code was not working, but you can give a try yourself. So, hopefully by this sharing you get to know a bit basic understanding on web security. Okay, so well, I guess that's all. So okay, thank you. Hope you learn something. And yeah, thank you. All right, so I'm going to stop for this.